There's no masala anymore.
It's a politically correct chip, but I do miss that hit of spice. I love Little Heart. No one's ever ordering Little Heart. We have 3 shades of green.
It's like I can't even touch it. It'll just fall apart.
And you can see how stretchy it gets with all of that pounding.
I thought you were going to say Asians don't know how to pound.
India में सब चीज़ का Google है ना, except for set.
Ooh, they look like cigar rolls.
But the reason why I
Looks
this
nice.
is because this brand is called
Pick me. Welcome to the
Short Girls Collective.
We do everything that tall girls do.
And more.
Have something which is obviously like every Indian knows it.
Every Indian who eats chips knows it.
Yeah.
It's the Indian magic masala. But recently there have been
Controversial.
rumors and controversies and campaigns about how the taste has changed.
Made it more Gen Z palatable.
So I thought we could try right now and honestly try to understand has it changed and what's happened.
Okay. Have you tried these recently?
Yes.
What is this?
They have
They have toned down.
yeah, exactly.
They've made it like more PC.
It's like it's palatable.
There's no
for
masala
everyone.
anymore.
It's a politically correct chip.
It's a politically correct chip, and you know why?
Why?
Because a good Jew invested in it.
Which Goju? Why
Yeah,
does
that's
he like
why.
spice?
This is why.
Oh, is it NF?
I don't know.
Oh my god, why does a Goju like that? Could be anyone.
No, because when I was doing my research, someone was like, oh, some Gujarati businessman or person has invested and they've lessened the spice in it.
So is it because it's easier to export this? That's the reason why they've done something like this?
I don't know.
Exporting this.
I don't know. Maybe they just want to cut cost.
But spice? How expensive can
Maybe they got too many feedback emails over the years.
But it was amazing. I remember as a child thinking I'll grow up enough to have something
I mean,
like
it
this.
was the India magic masala, but now it's like bland.
Oh, it doesn't even. It does say India's magic masala. Pehle it just said magic masala. Now I'm telling you, this is an exporting thing.
They've changed it.
They have made it branding here. Like this is India's chip. Stupid.
Fine.
Either.
They wanted to make a politically correct chip.
I mean, to be honest, I don't mind it. It's more like a chatpata.
I also don't mind it.
Hmm.
I'm someone who calls something 7 and eats all of it, so I don't mind it.
Oh,
But I just find it interesting that they had to change it.
but I do miss that hit of spice that you would get right at the end. You don't get that at all. So
Yeah. So who do you think is winning? Japanese snacks or Indian snacks?
Little Hearts is amazing.
Okay.
Little Hearts has no comparison.
Why are you giving politically correct answers
No,
now?
I love Little Hearts. That's a good order that you've done because I would have never thought of Little Hearts. Also because it never stays in any of our memories. No one's ever ordering Little Hearts.
That's what I'm
That
saying.
way.
How are they still in business?
I don't know. It's because it's a perfect tea time, coffee time, snack to give to people.
But
I
no
don't
one
know.
ever has it in their home.
Yeah,
What's
exactly.
that?
Okay.
Everything you've got is so green.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, I have 3 shades of green. But anyway, this is matcha mochi.
What's matcha mochi?
Mochi is just rice which is pounded down
Ooh,
and it
pound
releases.
me
Yeah.
down.
Yeah,
Naughty,
right?
naughty.
It's like, have you seen those reels just with this old Japanese dude just going at it over this rice and like dheere dheere karke releasing all of its starch and everything turns into this glowy little
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
This is what matcha mochi.
Matcha hota kya hai? Ooh.
Green tea. Like really nice clean green tea. Offering.
ये मीठा लग रहा है मेरे को.
मीठा है.
This is already looking like kaju katli.
That's it. तू खा.
नहीं, half.
मेरे को खानी.
No. Is it gonna be like kaju?
काजू
बर्फी?
नहीं वो उसमें substance है.
It's like I can't even touch it. It'll just fall apart.
खाया.
It also looks like a stone with lots of algae.
You can show it there.
Looks like
Looks like a pebble.
a stone
pebble you could eat.
with lots of algae.
A poolside
Oh, I
pebble.
hate the texture.
It stretches. Stretch it. Ah, there you go.
I can't.
So like a really nice mochi is super soft and delectable. And you can see how stretchy it gets with all of that pounding. And Asians don't know how to do sweet stuff.
I thought you were gonna say Asians don't know how to pound.
That too.
I can't. I hate this texture.
But I love that it comes in individual packs and it's super cute. I love how it looks exactly like that. As I said, everything has to look exactly like that, or it doesn't get passed. Approval, dude. India में सब चीज का approval है ना, except for sex and other things.
Ooh. Oh, so did you? I didn't like this at all. Did you like it?
No, not really. Why do you think I got? Why do you think this is an open packet?
Yeah, just saying.
Oh God.
I hate gooey things
It
always.
reminds me of a mithai that I don't want to ever eat. Okay.
For gooey things, Indians are taking away our masalas, but Mexicans are giving us.
No, that's not Mexican.
No, of course.
Arriba, arriba.
Mexican is michelada. Anyway, I'm super excited for this dinamita, fiery lime and chili flavor.
I love
Doritos.
the packaging.
That looks really cool.
It's green and purple shit.
And ooh, they look like cigar rolls. Look at that.
Oh my God! Look at that.
They look like carrots, no?
What is that? Is this a healthy snack?
Don't know, but it's giving competition to your pea snack.
That's actually true.
Okay, try it. Ooh.
Nachos.
Oh.
There's rolled up nachos.
Oh.
Rolled up tangy nachos.
Full of masala.
Full of masalas, but more tangy than masala.
Fiery lime and chili.
That's what.
But they're killing it.
I appreciate it. See, I feel like it's not a chip I would eat a lot of.
Good.
Maybe I'll have it with dip.
Beer.
This needs a dip.
Beer snack.
Or a beer. Let me see what's on the list.
Ooh, it's spicy.
No, it's limey.
It's limey.
Mmm.
So I generally think Doritos is the best chip. ये grill क्या हुआ है?
That's what they're trying to claim. It क्या marks है? It's like someone ran over them with that car. Okay, I'm putting this back in.
Okay, this has been my favorite. Of course, this has
Do
been
you
my
want to
favorite.
end this with desserts?
Yeah.
This I haven't opened yet, so I have no fucking idea what it
Oh,
tastes like.
nice.
But I think it just looks so good. And
It says leisure afternoon,
matcha chocolate cookies
pleasant time,
and happy travel.
cute.
But the reason why I picked
Looks
this
nice.
is because the brand is called
Pick me. Pick me, baby.
Simple, Effective, Got Me. And you know when you're coming back
Must be
home,
so overwhelming to like shop in a Japanese
it's so overwhelming
supermarket.
to open this.
Huh?
How it is. It's like you want to have everything.
Yeah.
Everything looks cute. Everything
Yeah.
looks adorable, nicely packaged and neat.
Yeah.
And the flavors are just one more extraordinary than the other.
Yeah, so how do you choose, man?
I don't.
Just
I
think-
just go for like the first 5 and जो भी मिल रहा है, I'm just adding it and then now I start calculating and I'm like, no, maybe this doesn't deserve it.
Ooh.
Packaging, dude. They're so bent on packaging. I mean, this has to be because you don't want to expose it to light. You get it? Like,
No.
you can't have transparent packaging.
Really?
This is air. Yeah, this is oxygen sealed. I don't know. I'm not a food packaging expert, but
Don't try to sound like one.
can't help it. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my god, that looks beautiful.
Okay. Again,
That looks beautiful.
that is what you get.
No, no, it's not what you
I mean, it's not green.
Fine, but it looks beautiful.
It looks amazing.
Good.
Okay.
Dude. What the fuck?
ये नहीं तेरे लिए.
ये बहुत मैंने शेयर करी नहीं but like
Oh my god, मेरे को ending
it's
टी
free
का flavor आ रहा है.
and of like
Like, finish.
finish. No, careful.
And that's it. All right.
It's
Amazing
super-
flavor.
It's like I'm biting into a cloud that is
Amazing.
somewhat solidified, but it has maintained its cloudy texture on the inside.
Oh my god. Yeah,
It
perfect.
is the perfect amount of sweet. It is the perfect texture.
The tea flavor is killing me. So good. It's matcha
so
flavor.
beautiful. I wish I'd bought more of these packs.
Mm.
Dude, what is this flavor?
Mm.
What are we eating? How would you describe this flavor?
Expensive,
It is fucking expensive. You know this is expensive. This is amazing. I'm so happy with it.
Fine, man.
Right,
Japanese snacks have definitely won over Indian snacks. I mean, the last thing I got was Melody, but I don't think we need to try that.
Well, I know the flavor.
We'll just go down and give it to the kids around. That can be a good deed of the day.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
Sumimasen! Come to Japan! Wait. We can do. Sumimasen! Sumimasen! Sahiro wa dobu desu ka?
Okay, number one, let's say it at the same time.
Oh, same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number one is.
Pick me.
Yeah, for me also.
It's Pick Me. The branding worked.
Amazing. Cloud, but like tea, but
Cloud,
like rust, but like
structure.
soft.
Sugar perfect. Dessert, but you're not cheating on your diet.
Oh, this is interesting.
Great
Number
packaging.
2.
Number 2. Oh, this is a twist. I don't know what you're gonna pick.
Oh my god. Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
3,
Just pick yours, I'll pick
3,
mine.
2, 1. Peas.
Ah!
I knew it. I
Go
knew
for
it.
it. Go
Oh
for
my
it.
God.
Go for it.
Please always.
Same.
Number 2 is my
I'm
little
all I'm looking
hearts.
for is peas.
Ye mera India.
so Palestine.
I love my India. Okay, cool. Oh my god, little hearts and big hearts.
Oh, waffle. ये वाले तो हमने cookies से try
Okay.
करेंगे for next.
Let's see what's your number 3. My number 3 is this. Okay, fine. I
Little
have one.
hats for little girls. And number 4 would be. I like the lime bomb in this. This lime bomb.
Oh,
is
so
right.
good. Amazing. Actually, I'll change my answer here.
Lime bomb.
Number 4.
Appreciated. Collective.
That's it.
Short Girls Collective.
Short Girls Collective. Short Girls Collective.
Number 4, but number 5. But we have
Yeah.
too many of these. So
Too many of these.
And then this because it's nothing like what it
It's
says.
coming
supposed to
last.
be. I don't know. I guess. Packaging, Instagram. It's an Instagram chip. There's a person you don't want to meet in real life. Next. Melody.
Because we're gonna go.
Because Modi. Remember that old Melody Modi shirt?
No.
Oh my god. तू Instagram करती भी है कि क्या
No.
कर रही है तू बस
उसको
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry. I thought it was Melody.
I'm so dumb, man. It's shit. Like, copy में भी ऊपर.
Okay, that's it. That's a wrap. That's a snack wrap, a talking wrap, a conversational wrap, and everything wrap. All that's left is a fucking wrap. We do that in the next one. We're done. Please leave us. We're done. We've given out everything.
That's a
all.
good rap. Did you write the bars? We did it, man.
We did it. We actually did it.
We did
Thank you. Thank you guys. You actually made this happen.